I'm going to show you how to add a post, update files, use Form Publisher, add and create blocks, a new job opening. Cave Consulting, transforming the way you work. Hello, this is Taylor from Cave Consulting, and today I'm going to show you how to add a post to your WordPress website. First, in your dashboard, you're going to want to click a category. This will create a post within that category. Typically, it will already automatically be in the category you selected, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to manually select a category, and it's always important to check to make sure that it is in the proper category. Next, you're going to add a title and content. And once you have a title and some information, you're going to want to go to Post, and if you would like, you can add a featured image that will appear at the top of your post. You can upload a file from your computer or choose something from the media library, which will show all of the pictures uploaded to your website. Make sure when you do choose an image that it complies with ADA regulations, meaning that there should be descriptors in the alt text, title, and description box. All three can say the same thing. Before you publish your post, you can go here and preview it in another tab. And if everything is right, then you can select Publish. After you publish, you'll have a view post appear, and now you can see it on your website. You can also go to your home page of your website, and it should appear under the category you selected. If you would like to create a post that links to another web page or a Google Drive document, all you have to do is go to This Page Links To and select a custom URL. If you would like to link your post to a Google Doc, make sure that it is in the website folder. That way, the public can access it. I'm going to go to this document, get the link, and post it here. And now when I go to view the post, it will take me to this document. It is also important, if you are linking to a page outside of your website, to select Open in New tab. If you would like to link a post to a Google Doc and you're on a desktop or a Windows machine, here's another way for you to get that link. First, as before, go to a custom URL, open a new tab, and then you're going to go to your files. Make sure you go to My Drive, find the file, right-click, select Share with Google Drive, copy link, and then you should have this page linking to that document. Be sure to preview before you publish.